Hi guys, today we will learn how to set up an out-of-office reply. So to set up the out-of-office reply, you will click on the settings gear and you will click on see all settings. Then you will scroll down towards the bottom right past the signature, which I taught you yesterday. And right at the bottom, you will find the vacation responder on. You will set the first day of vacation, and you will also, if you want, can also set up the last day of vacation whenever you're coming back. You can give a subject line. And then in the message, you can write whatever message you want to write. I will be out of office. And then you can complete the message however you want to complete the message. And then you have an option of checking only send a response to people in my contacts or send a response to everybody. So if you check this checkbox, it will only send a response to those people who are in your contacts list. So then you can save changes. So now after that, anytime anybody send you an email, they will automatically get that vacation on response, which you have set up at the bottom under the vacation responder. So anyway, I hope you have learned how to turn on your vacation responder or out of office. And some people have this habit of turning it on every day at whenever they leave the work till next day morning, just to give a message to the people sending them emails after office hours, to tell them that they will only respond back to their emails within the office hours. And when you are back in your office, you can simply come back in the settings and turn the vacation responder off, or you can simply click on end now and it will automatically turn the vacation responder off, and then you can go back to your inbox and the responder is off. Anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.